Hello children, this is Vijaya here to discuss some general topics. In the previous video, we have discussed about states, union territories and their capitals. I told you to learn them. Did you learn? I hope you learned. If not so, you have to learn it. Okay. Today, we are going to learn something about the languages. So, today our topic is states, union territories and the languages spoken in India. Okay. As usual, we shall start our topic with a question. What is the question is, what is our mother tongue? Many of you know, some of you may not know. What is our mother tongue? Our mother tongue is Telugu. Okay. After hearing this, you may get a doubt. What is meant by a mother tongue? What is meant by a mother tongue? Yeah, here is your answer. The language spoken to you by your mother from your childhood. When you are a baby, the first language used by your mother to talk to you is called our mother tongue. Okay, the first language spoken by our mother to us is called our mother tongue. Okay, then do you know how many languages are spoken in India? Do you know? Don't get shocked because there are more than 19,500 languages spoken in India. Oh, a very big amount, right? There are more than 19,500 languages spoken in India. Out of those 19,500 languages, 22 languages are official languages. How many languages are official languages? 22. Okay. Now, the two main official languages spoken in India are Hindi and English. Okay. Coming to the next topic, here is our India map. I told you, I have discussed you about the states, capitals, union territories and their capitals in our previous video, right? Once again, you have to look at the map carefully and you have to learn the states and their capitals. If you identify the location, you will be able to remember easily. Okay. Now I am showing you the states, capitals and the major language spoken. That means, why did I give the major language spoken means, in a particular area, not only one language, more than one language will be spoken by the people. For example, in our community, Muslims also live with us. What is the language spoken by Muslims? Urdu. The language spoken by Muslims is Urdu. And in our school, we are speaking English. Is that our mother tongue? No. But we are learning English and Urdu is the mother tongue of Muslims. So they are speaking that language. Why we call major language means the language that is spoken by major people. In a particular area, most of the people will speak one language that is considered as the major language of that particular state or particular union territory or particular country. Okay. Now, coming to the first state. What is our first state? Himachal Pradesh. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Shimla. And the major language spoken is Hindi. Next, Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. The major language is spoken in Punjab is Punjabi. Haryana. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. The major language spoken is Hindi. Uttarakhand. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. The major language spoken is Hindi. Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. The major language spoken is Hindi. You just don't look at the video. You open a book and note it down so that you can read. Okay, if you want, you can pause the video and you note it down. Okay, you just don't simply listen. If you want to listen, you can listen. If you listen continuously for 3 or 4 times, you will be able to remember. Okay. Coming to the next state, Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. The major language spoken is Gujarati. Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. The major language spoken is Hindi. Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. The major language spoken is Marathi. Coming to the next state, Goa. The capital of Goa is Panaji. And here see, the major language spoken in Goa is Konkani. Okay. Konkani. Next, Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. We call it as Bangalore, right? And the major language spoken in Karnataka is Kannada. Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. The major language spoken is Malayalam. Next, Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. The major language spoken is Tamil. Okay. Coming to our state, what is the name of our state? Andhra Pradesh. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? In the previous video, I told you that the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amaravati. There is a proposal of 3 capitals, but not yet confirmed or not yet announced, I said. But recently, 3 capitals were announced, okay, signed by the governor. And what are the 3 capitals? One is Vizag, Visakhapatnam, Kurnool and Amaravati. Okay. The major language spoken in Andhra Pradesh is Telugu. As we know, our mother tongue is Telugu. Coming to the next state, Telangana. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. The major language spoken is Telugu. Odisha. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. The major language spoken is Oriya. Chhattisgarh. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. The major language spoken is Hindi. Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. The major language spoken is Hindi again. Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna. And the major language spoken is Hindi. Coming to the next state, West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. And the major language spoken is Bengali. Okay. Next, Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. The major language spoken is Nepali. Coming to the next state, Meghalaya. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. The major language spoken is Bengali. Next, Assam. The capital of Assam is Dispur. And the major language spoken is Assamese. Tripura. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. The major language spoken is Bengali. Next state, Mizoram. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. The major language spoken in Mizoram is Bengali. Manipur. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. And the major language spoken is Manipuri. Okay. Nagaland. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. And the major language spoken is Bengali. Coming to the last but not least, Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. And the language spoken in Arunachal Pradesh is Bengali. So, till now we have learned about the 28 states Once again, we have revised the capitals, and we have learned the major language spoken in those states. Now we shall learn about the union territories and the languages spoken in those union territories. So how many union territories are there? 9 union territories are there in India. As I told you, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh are recently included into union territories. So before we have 7 union territories, now we have 9. Okay. Coming to the first union territory, Ladakh. The capital of Ladakh is Leh. The major language spoken in Ladakh is Ladakhi. Okay. Ladakhi. That is a Tibetan language. Coming to the next union territory, Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is having 2 capitals. One is Srinagar and the other is Jammu. Srinagar is the capital for Jammu and Kashmir in summer, and Jammu is the capital for Jammu and Kashmir in winter. The major language spoken is Kashmiri. Coming to the next union territory, Delhi. The capital of Delhi is New Delhi, and the major language spoken is Hindi. Chandigarh. The capital of Chandigarh is Chandigarh again, and the major language spoken is Hindi. Daman and Diu. The capital of Daman and Diu is Daman. The major language spoken is Gujarati. Did you remember the location of Daman and Diu? It is near Gujarat. So the people who live in Daman and Diu also speaks Gujarati. Coming to the next one, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu are sharing a common capital. I already told you in the previous video, that is Daman. Okay. So the language spoken in Dadra and Nagar Haveli is also Gujarati. Lakshadweep. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti, and the language spoken is Malayalam. So this is near to the Kerala. Okay, so the language spoken by these people is Malayalam. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair, and the major language spoken is Bengali. Puducherry. The capital of Puducherry is Puducherry again, and it is situated in Tamil Nadu. So the major language is spoken by the people in Puducherry is Tamil. Okay, till here we have discussed about states, union territories, their capitals, and the major languages spoken by the people. Okay, you have to learn all these, you have to remember. And coming to the next topic, that is our riddles. In the previous video I gave you riddles and I told you to answer. Okay, now I am giving the answers for those riddles. What is the first question? What has words but never speaks? What has words but never speaks? A book, right? A book is having many words but it never speaks. Okay, coming to the next question. A man dies of old age on his 25th birthday. How is this possible? How is this possible? Because he was born on 29th February. That means a leap year. Leap year comes once in 4 years. So this is the answer for that question. Coming to the next question. I am an odd number. Take away a letter and I become even. What number am I? The answer is 7. If you remove S from that word, it becomes even, right? If you remove the letter S, it becomes even. Coming to the next question. What begins with an E and only contains one letter? The answer is envelope. See here, this word begins with the letter E. Envelope is nothing but which holds a letter. Okay. We will keep letters in those envelopes. Coming to the next one. What is the end of everything? What is the end of everything? Letter G. So everything. What is the end of the word everything? G. The letter G. Okay. I hope you enjoyed, and today I am going to give you some more riddles. Okay. Today's riddles. The first riddle is, what has many keys but can't open a single lock? What has many keys but can't open a single lock? Find out. Second question is, where does today come before yesterday? I am repeating. Where does today come before yesterday? Third one is, what 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? Again I am reading. What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? Fourth question. What goes through cities and fields but never moves? What goes through cities and fields but never moves? And the final question is, I have lakes with no water, mountains with no stone, and cities with no buildings. What am I? I have lakes with no water, mountains with no stone, and cities with no buildings. What am I? Okay, these are your riddles. Learn carefully all the states, capitals and their languages spoken. Okay, find out the answers for these riddles. And one thing you have to do, note it down in your book. Okay, and revise it. If you read once or twice, you can't remember. Revise it once, twice, thrice, if needed 4 or 5 times. And if you want, you watch the video that helps you to listen, so that helps you to remember. Okay, and I hope you will learn all these. We shall meet in the next video. Until then, take care.